Hello friends, this is Arafat Khan and today we will see another question of JEE Advance. Okay, so as we have seen, I have recorded two lectures on the same topic, parabola. Today we will discuss a new question with new concept, and this question was asked in JEE Advance. Okay, so see the question. Let PQ be a focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, if the tangents to the parabola at P and Q meet at point lying on the line y is equal to 2x plus a, where a is positive, then the length of chord PQ is. Okay, so we are given here a parabola. So as we all know, there are four types of parabola. Okay, but equation suggests the given equation suggests the parabola will be of this shape. The given equation is y square is equal to 4ax, and this equation suggests this parabola will be of this shape. Okay, so this is the given parabola, and we are also given that PQ be a focal chord. PQ is a focal chord. So let us assume that this is the focus. This is the focus, and if any chord passes through the focus, sorry, and if any chord is why it's not working? Huh. Okay, so let us assume that this is the focus, and as we all know, if any chord passes through the focus, then that chord will become focal chord. Okay, so if any chord of the parabola is passing through the focus, then that chord will be called as focal chord. So here PQ is a focal chord, and let us assume that the coordinates of P and Q are a t1 square comma 2a t1, and coordinates of Q are a t2 square comma 2a t2. And also, as we all know, any chord is called, any chord PQ is called focal chord, is called focal chord when any chord is called as focal chord when t1 t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, when t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1, then any chord of the parabola is called as focal chord. So this is the given condition here. Okay, now again, as we all know, the equation of chord, equation of focal chord under the given condition t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1 is a t plus 1 by t whole square. Okay, the equation of focal chord under this condition t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1 is a into bracket t plus 1 by t whole square. If, see, if I consider t1 instead of t, if I consider t1, then what will happen? Tell me. Then what will happen? Then this will be a as it is. Okay, t1 as it is, and from this relation, from this relation, t1 by t1 will become minus t2. 1 by t1, 1 by t1 will become minus t2, and whole square is as it is. So the focal chord is a into t1 minus t2 whole square. This is the focal chord. Now what we have to do? We have to just find the value of this t1 minus t2 whole square. Okay, if we can find the value of t1 minus t2 whole square, then we'll put the value in this equation, and a will remain as it is, because see the options are, see the options, first option is 7a, second option is 5a, third option is 2a, and last option is 3a. So we have a as it is in all the four options, so we don't touch a, we only find the value of t1 minus t2 whole square. Okay, Again, see A as it is. This T1 minus T2 whole square can be written as T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 into T2. Okay. So T1 minus T2 whole square can be written as T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 into T2. If we solve this expression, then again we get uh, T1 minus T2 whole square. So PQ is equal to this much. Now what we have to do? We have to find just values of T1 and T2 and T1 plus T2. So if we can find the value of T1 into T2 and T1 plus T2, then we will put the values of T1 plus T2 and T1 into T2 in this equation. It is PQ. So we will get PQ. Okay. So PQ is equal to this much. Now see, we have 4 with us. We have 4 with us here and multiplied by T1 into T2. And as we all know, T1 into T2 is minus 1. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to just find the value of what? The value of T1 plus T2. Okay. So this much is the information from the given question. Okay. But question is not completed because something is there. It is given that the point P and Q meet at point lying on the line y is equal to 2x plus a. So this information is left. Okay. So what we have now, we have T1 into T2 is equal to minus 1. We have PQ is equal to sorry, we have PQ is equal to A in bracket T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 into T2. So this much information right now we have, and we have this parabola with P as coordinates this one and Q with coordinates this one. Okay. So this is the information that we have from the given information. All right. So if we move forward in the question, first of all I have to clear the screen. If we move forward in the question, okay. So again it is given that if the tangents, see, if the tangents to the parabola at P and Q meet at a point lying on the line y is equal to 2x plus a, where a is positive, then the length of the chord. Okay. So see, uh, tangent from P. So this is tangent from P and tangent from Q. Tangent from Q meet at the point, meet at this point. Okay. Tangent from P and tangent from Q meet at this point, and from this point a line is passing. Which line? Which line? A line y is equal to 2x plus a. Okay. So tangent from P and Q meet at the point, and from that point a line is passing. Y is equal to 2x plus a is passing through the point of intersection of two tangents. Okay. Then the length of the chord PQ is. So see, here the important information is, this is the point of intersection of, this is the point of intersection of two tangent. Okay. uh, where the point of P is in parametric form and coordinates of, sorry, not point of P, coordinates of P are in parametric form and coordinates of Q are also in parametric form. So in such situation, what we'll have, we will have the coordinates of point of intersection. What we will have? We will have the coordinates of point of intersection, and the coordinates are a t1 t2 comma a t1 plus t2. These are the coordinates when two when two tangents meet at a common point, also when the coordinates of that point are given in parametric form. Okay, so this is the coordinates of point of intersection of two tangents. Okay, and the line, see, this line y is equal to 2x plus a is passing through the same point of intersection. So what will happen? This coordinate will satisfy the given equation. So what we will do, we'll just put the values of x and y, a t1 plus t2. What we'll do, we'll put the values of x and y, t1 into t2 plus a in this equation. हमने क्या किया, we have just put the values of x and y in this equation. So what will happen, a a a will cancel. What remains, t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 t1 t2 plus 1. Now t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 because it is given, plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 1. Alright, so t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 1. So now we have all the values. So now we have all the values, like t1 plus t2 we have minus 1, and t1 into t2 we also have as minus 1. So what will happen, we'll put the values of t1 plus t2 and t1 into t2 over here. So minus 1 whole square minus 4 minus 1. Okay. So what will happen? First of all, I have to clear the huh. Okay. So PQ is equal to A bracket minus 1 square is 1 minus minus plus 4, so is equal to A as it is into 5. So this will be 5 into A. Okay. So PQ means length of the chord is 5A. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Okay. So this is the question from JEE Advanced. If PQ is a focal chord of the parabola, if the tangent to the parabola at P and Q meet at a point lying on the line y is equal to 2x plus a, where a is positive, then the length of chord PQ is. Okay. So see here, what we have 4 5 informations with us. First of all, we have focal chord, equation of parabola, okay, tangent meet at common point, and equation of line which passes through the point of intersection of two tangent. So with the help of these 4 information, we can easily find the solution, or we can easily find the length of the chord PQ. Okay, and one more thing, it is also very much important to remember that the coordinates of point of intersection of the two tangents are a t1 into t2 comma a t1 plus t2. This is very important point. Okay, so this is the question. uh, if we have any question from any other topic, then we will take it in next class. Thank you so much for today.